Hi, in this video I'm going to go over the timed feeding functions of FED3, where you can limit when it's active, when it's delivering pellets based on the hour of the day. So here we're looking at the timed FR1 example. It's from the FED3 library. And we're going to scroll down. There's a couple things that are important. If you want to set these on the fly on the device, you can set this set timed equals true, and that'll give you a little bit of an editing ability. I'll show you that at the end of the video. You can change the hours on the device. But then the important bit are these if statements. So here we're looking at the loop. The whole loop is not very long. It's very similar to the FR1 program, but instead of it just being if FED3 left, we're going to log it and deliver a pellet. We have this extra if statement, and it says if FED3 current hour, so that's a variable, which is the current hour that FED3 thinks it is. Right now it's noon here, so that would be at 12. If that is greater than or equal to this other variable, timed start, which we can set. So let's say 6 p.m., that would be 18, and less than 24. This is all relative to the time that FED3 thinks it is, the hours place. That would work. So that's one way you can use timed feeding, and you can do this in any program. You can just ask for the current hour and ask if it's greater than or less than. The other thing I'm going to show you is how you can set it on the device. So I've already flashed this, and if this is true, we'll get a little edit window at the beginning. The way that we're going to set timed start and timed end on the device is I'm going to reset the device, and then I'm going to hold both pokes while we're starting up. And that sound will bring us into a small edit window where you can actually set the number of the device. This will show up in the log file. You can also set the clock. And then if you wait for a third one, you can set the timed feeding, when it starts and when it ends. And then you let the device start up. And that will now have set the timed start and the timed ends.